Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to organize your emails in Gmail. As you can see, I have a lot of organized or unorganized emails right here. So what you can do in that case is you can head over and then create a new label. Now for this one, let's put in here a label for important. And then you can also nest this label under this one. But for this case, I'll just make this as a parent label. Click on create right here. And then from in there, once you have created this one, you can head over and then do in here a lot more things. So for example, let's add these things right here on the important page. Now click on this three dots, or you can also just head over and then do a lot more things. Click on this label as, and then let's label it as important right here. Now from in there, click on apply, and then as you can see, they have been added to the important page. Now you can add another label. For example, let's name this discard and then click on create, and then add some other labels or some other emails to that particular part. So let's label it as discard and apply this, and as you can see, they have been added. Now whenever someone or the actual part of your email, you should be able to see in here the email that you need to discard, the important email, and from in there you can also add a lot more labels that you can do in order to successfully add them to your actual inbox. Now from in there, you can also just remove the per inbox if you want to as well. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.